Hi! Good morning! So today in our vlog, we are going to talk about our makeup tutorial and to prep our bride for her nuptial on the 25th. So get ready with us. Are you ready? Here we go! And look at her in her plain look before we put all the makeups. And so we are going to transform her into the bride that she will be. So what we have here is first is our foundation. So we're gonna apply it. Usually I'm just doing cross section with her face. So when it comes to makeup na parang pang kasal or prenuptial, less is more. Always less is more. Kasi it's not like simplicity is beauty naman, di ba? Kasi we have our own standards of beauty. It's just that we want to show the natural beauty of our bride during her the time na parang glow up ganyan session. So, let's start. Ilang pinakbago. Really good if it's gonna be like color fit siya sa skin ng make-upan mo, pero also make sure that the coverage is good. So sa mga ganitong time na kapag hindi siya masyado naka-cover, all you have to do is add more kasi nakukulangan lang yan. Parang pagmamahal, kapag kulang, kailangan mo lang dagdagan para gumanda. Sana! Lang. Like, huwag masyadong madami. Like, di ba, madami siya masyado. Tak-tak ulit natin. Okay, time to bake the cake. Char, the face pala. Oh, yeah. Kailangan niyo ba talagang manood nito? I'm shy.
Oh yeah, ako yung Jill.
Below kapag may mga masasabi kayo, wag naman sana super negative. Professionals face designing. So yun nga, usually highlight at dito. Kasi yung shape na face niya is medyo pa-oval naman. So cheekbones lang, ilong, then konting. Yan. So ayan na siya guys, yung finished product with all the contour. So yeah, although sinasabi ko nga ulit, keep it minimal. Pero sa mga nakikita nyo ngayon, very pumuputok na yung lahat-lahat sa kanya. Hindi lang talaga halata. So, in such case, char. Sa ngayon, yung gagawin natin naman is mag-focus tayo sa paborito kong part, which is the kilay. Because it sets the mood straight. So, usually nagdi-deep brow ako. Pero, pag yung deep brow kasi masyado siyang dark. So, I would use pencil for this one para i-carve yung outer na linings niya and then fill it in with the deep brow. Yeah, it's like, para magkaroon siya ng life. Alright, so let me push. So, kilay is life na mo. Tanggalan mo na lang ng sound lang, ha? Kahit mahirap na.
Pero kadali ko blatuod yung ligad niya mga muna ibalik-balik kaya ang kilay ko ikaw lang na nagapa namin tapos ko balik ko sobra man ba sila ma'am dumi pag-ublas yung
with liquid eyeliner and mascara, and the only thing that we have to do is lipstick, but let's pause that for now. We usually do the normal braiding process, pero yung parang waterfall siya na tinaas. This is like a Greek style, like ancient Grecian women used to wear this kind of braid. Parang ganito siya, then inimit siya sa gitna ng gitna. Then, yun. Then, it will like create like, yung effect is mahahati talaga siya sa gitna, equally. The secret to this one is to braid them separately, pero yung central source niya is isa lang. Anyway, feeling ko kinuha nila yung gamit ko. Whatever. Oh my God. Man. Ang ano ko, ang
Dala mo naman.
dala na. Sige. Yung flowers ko, dinala nila. I think. Someday we'll know love can move a mountain. Someday we'll know why the sky is blue. Someday we'll know why it wasn't meant for you. Dear readers, dear viewers pala na matutuwa ba kayo kapag kakanta kami dito ng Wrecking Ball? Aling Tunisia version. Char! I put you high up in the sky, and now you're not coming down. You just say let yourself alive. You want to be alive. Don't you ever see I just so we are willing this one. I can live a lie running for my life. I will always want. I came out a little boy. Ano niya? Well, may alum ko gali sa gilid. Chismosa. Sa gilid ng tenga. Did you know that kapag may... Oo. Chismosa daw yan. So, ilang chismis yung nasagap mo. Pa-share naman ng tea. Tea. Ito naman, nagpapa. Fell under the spell of love. No one could do. Don't you accept just what you want? I want us to make a noise. What you ever do is let me Ayan, perfect. Sana natutuwa kayo sa panonood dito. Char, inaway. Ako kasi hindi ako natutuwang mag-vlog. Char. Makita niyo yung ngalang-ngala mo kapag tumawa ka kapag nag-vlog. Like, sabi ko na nga ba, dinala nila lahat ng gamit. Ay, push. Hindi ako nagmumura, guys. Promise.
So, bali, padala ko na karon sa imo ang mga name games sa mga sponsor yung ino. Kanan, kompleto na.
Yes. Hindi ka mapaprint, di?
Ito lang ko kay Mitch makaprint.
Kay?
Mitch. Michelle.
Mayara sila?
Ano gamiton ko nga papel?
Parchment paper. Hindi siya tama kung makakita na siya. Alright guys, so we're gonna put some finishing touches. Alright. So yung hair, ganyan siya. Yan. Braid siya. Then, pag nandito, parang ano siya, finold. Yung pagkaka-braid and nitak siya completely. But we're gonna make that neat pa and we're gonna put the finishing touches and we're good to go. One moment. Not really an expert in putting lipstick, but whatever. Alright, let's pause that. Okay guys, so I just wanna advertise, this is actually from my teammate from work. So Yuri Cosmetics in the shade Ambitious, and Yuri, it's Signorile, I don't know. Something like that. It's a gloss. Look at this shade. This is so beautiful. My gosh.